Malacanang clarifies that there was no favoritism in President Aquino's granting of 10,000 peso bonus to each DPWH personnel on the department's anniversary. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte stressed that such practice is not unique to the DPWH since there are instances when other agencies also grant milestone anniversary bonuses to their employees.
Iba-iba naman po yung ating, hindi naman po sana ito maging dahilan ng kanilang inggitan. Yung pagdating naman po sa hazard and longevity pay, I think in-explain din po ng Pangulo yan kahapon na talagang pinapatignan. Kasi kung ano naman po yung benefits na dapat due to them, dapat naman po, katulad ng sinabi ng Pangulo, dapat po yung maibigay. Hindi lang po DPWH, linawin po natin, kapag nagkakaroon po talaga sila ng anibersaryo, ang isang ahensya o isang departamento ng pamahalaan, meron po talagang instances na nagkakaroon, nagbibigay po yung what they call the milestone anniversary bonuses doon ho sa mga kawani. So hindi po ito unique sa DPWH.